Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new box to show you guys and I'm super excited. That is the silver swag box. This is for March. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the March silver swag box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys know when I first bring a box to my channel, I try to tell you everything I can first, and then we'll get into the unboxing. And this one right here, I think is actually really neat. They emailed me and they were telling me about the company and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their box. And after going to their website and seeing what they're all about, I thought this is an amazing box to show you guys, because this would be a great gift idea for you or for another, a mother, a father, a parent, a couple, that kind of thing. So let me kind of tell you a little bit of what they emailed me about the company, and then we'll go over all the pricing and everything for the box. So they said, my sister Ashley and I started Silver Swag Box in October of 2020. Inspired by the care packages we were sending to our loved ones during the pandemic. A year in, our boxes have found appeal well beyond the senior set, with our customers ranging in ages from about 35 and up. Each theme box includes an activity, a home and or holiday decor, personal care or practical items, and of course, snacks. Each box also includes a Stay Connected card designed to provide conversation starters to inspire families to bond and learn more about each other. And then they also did tell me there was a few other influencers that have showcased their box, and one of them was Georgia Sunshine, and I absolutely love her. So I went to her channel and I watched last month's unboxing, and this box really seems amazing. I will list her video from last month if you want to see a different variation or you just want to go check her out. She's amazing, but I will list that with the box and all information in the description box. So going over the box, they did generate my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you $15 off your very first box. That's awesome. So it says, send love, stay connected. Our mission is to help busy families send love and stay connected to loved ones with a curated selection of fun and practical items delivered each month. Gifts so fun, you'll want one for yourself. What's inside? Each box is carefully curated with fun activities and items that are tied to a unique theme and designed to delight, encourage conversation, and show how much you care. Boxes include activities, daily use personal care items, conversational cards, and more, such as fun activities, household items, home gadgets, and monthly themed snacks. So if you want to just do box to box, this box is $49.99, but again, my code will get you $15 off, and shipping is included for the US. So free US shipping is included in that price as well. 6 months will get you down to $47.49, and you'll also get a free mystery box with your order over $49.99 value. So if you do select the 6-month plan, you will get a $49.99 value free mystery box as well. That's awesome. If you go to the 12-month plan, it brings the box price down to $44.99. And with that one, you will get a free mystery box plus a magnetic easel with your order that's valued at $71.99. So you do save money by going to a 6 or a 12-month, but you also receive a free gift as well. So that's awesome. Orders placed between the 1st and the 10th will receive the current month's box, and orders after the 10th will receive next month's box. So you have until March 10th to receive this exact box. If you order after March 10th, then you will receive April's box. And yeah, so that is awesome. It also says if you do get it for a gift, you can include a personalized note. If you're sending Silver Swag as a gift, we'll be happy to handwrite a note on a greeting card that will be included in your box. It will be placed right on top, so it would be the first thing they see. This will let your loved one know who sent that gift. That's awesome. So the box that it comes in is right here, and it says the Silver Swag Box. And once I was looking at the website and I was seeing how it's mainly geared towards, adults to get this box, I was like, is it silver swag? Because when you get older, you get all that wisdom and your hair turns gray. So there's silver. Is that why that is? I think that's super cute if so. So let's dive in. Let's see what's in here. And oh, on the back it says, sent with love. silverswagbox.com. And let's see what's going to be in the March box. Let's dive in. When you first open it up, it says, welcome March. Ooh, the seeds. That's what it looks like when you first open the box. Ooh, okay, so that looks like we have some seed packets here. Yeah, wildflower seeds. That's what was right on top. That is really neat, especially going into spring. You can plant some wildflowers. That is really neat. So here are the 2 cards that are right on top. One of them just says, thanks for being a part of Silver Swag Box. Stay connected. What's inside? And it will go over the items on here. And it doesn't go over pricing, which is fine. Not all of them do, but it does go over the individual items and gives you a little bit more information. And then on the back of this one, it says plant kindness. This month, we want to plant kindness. Below are ideas of random acts of kindness, but we encourage you to talk with your loved ones about ways you can show kindness to others and yourself. So here's a list of all different types of things to get you to be a little bit more kinder, which that's amazing. We definitely do need a lot more kindness in this world, and patience, which I don't think a lot of people have anymore. I know mine gets tried every day. So let me get to the one that has like the paper. There we go. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out, it says Chinese flower green tea. This looks like it's by Harney and Sons Fine Tea. Find your inner peas with a calming mug of green tea. Find your inner peas? Is this supposed to say peas or peace? It says find your inner peas, like you eat peas, with a calming mug of green tea. Simply plant 1 to 2 tea bags in a mug and water well. It's tea bags. So I don't know how you find your inner peas, but it says Chinese flower, and there's these little tea bags right here, and that's what's inside. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 tea bags down in here. Ooh, and I can kind of pick up a little bit of like a sweet scent. So I can't wait to try this tea. And I love tea, but that's really cool that it's not just like 1 tea bag. There's an actual thing of 5 different ones. So they can have 5 different teas throughout the month. So that is really neat. So there's that. Ooh, there's a little sticker. Plant kindness and gather love. I love stickers, so I always love when stickers are in boxes, but that is really cute that you can even put on stationery, on journaling, scrapbooking. If you make your own little log or whatever, you can stick a little sticker on there, so you can actually use that for anything, which I think is cute. So let's keep going. Ooh, we have a mug in here. Let's see, and that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I like that. And then here's a little card on the bottom, and it says Heather Lee Chan hand painted mug. They're actually like, they're like raised, like you can feel the leaves, like they stick out. That is really, really pretty. I like that. And that is a really good size mug. And that would be really cute for me to like sit and just stare at my garden and have my little greenery one. Like, you know, I think that's so cool. I really like that mug. I really like the mug, and it's big. So there's that. For this one, it says ECCOLO, all over fern mug. This mug is kind of a big deal. Maybe that's why it said peas and dill, because they're going with like a whole, like maybe like kind of like a garden type thing with how they're talking, maybe. I'm not sure. But this one says, this mug is kind of a big deal. The adorable leafy pattern is sure to brighten your kitchen or garden all spring. See, I just said sitting in my garden drinking my morning coffee would be amazing on the weekend. So that is really neat, and I can't wait to use that in my garden. There's the brand on the bottom of it, and I love that. That is so pretty. That is really, really pretty. I haven't said that enough. Okay, so let me move some of these squiggles, because there is a whole lot of squiggles going on. And with all of this, like literally there's a big pile here. You can always save this and use this for any type of like gift bagging, or like if you make a gift basket, you can stick it in the basket, or a gift bag, or I use it sometimes to repackage like things to send to you guys, so it helps with shipping. So you can always keep all of this shipping, packing material too, and always repurpose it. So now we're gonna get in maybe to the snacks, and that's a big bag. This is sea salt pita chips, cholesterol free. I've never heard of those before, but they sound amazing. These chips are mint. It's gotta be, because now it's mint, like, you know, mint that would be in your garden. So it says these chips are meant to be with Molly and you spinach dip. Oh, is that what this is right here? Wait, no, that's not a spinach dip, is it? Yes, savory spinach dip. Yes, right here. So that's so neat. They actually give you something to make with them. It's not just here's a snack. It's here's a snack that you can actually complement another. Ah, that's so cool. So it says it will complement this dip. Feel free to share with your buds. So then we'll go with this one. This one actually has the recipe even on the back if you want to make a smokin' stuffed shrooms. Ooh, that sounds good. Or if you want to just make this the way that it says, you just mix with 1 cup of sour cream and a half a cup of real mayonnaise. Chill for at least 1 hour before serving. So then you have this right here so you can make some dip, and it sounds amazing. I can't wait to make this and try it with these. That's gonna be so good. This one here says, we're fond of mini Molly and you snacks, but this spinach dip is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Like a leaf. Unbelievable. So now I know why it said P in the very first one, because it's going with that whole theme. And I think that's really cute. Okay, so now you have a Lucky Clover cookie, and this is by Rustic Bakery, and that is because this month, March, is St. Patrick's Day. So you do have a holiday themed treat here as well. This one says, enjoy a sweet treat with this tasty shamrock sugar cookie. They're perfect for more than just St. Patty's Day. Yeah, I can't wait to start nibbling on that one. Now we have is a pain relieving gel, ultimate pain relief. So it's this big thing here. Let's get you out. And it says the pain relieving gel, ultimate pain relief. Never leave. It's just so cute. Never leave home without it. This plant-based pain relieving gel is there for every thorn. That is just so cool. They are definitely going with the whole theme, and then they're adding in even their verbiage to go with the theme. I'm loving this, you guys. So you have a pain relieving gel. I mean, anybody can get pain anywhere of any age. So I think that's really, really appropriate to put in this type of a box for what they're trying to do, like sending little care packages to loved ones. So I think that is really, really neat. Okay, so now we have is an adult coloring book. I really, really love these, and oh my gosh, it's all succulents. So it's all like the plant theme as well. So without the plastic, that is what it looks like. Welcome to the wonderful world of succulents. Oh my goodness. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. I'll run through a few of them just so you can see. That is so cool. And that's a lot of pages in there too. So that's a nice thick book. It says 31 stress relieving designs. And then they have you covered with the pencils as well. So you have a 12 multicolor coloring pencil set to go with your adult coloring book. So the Succulents coloring book says this calming coloring book is the perfect way to enjoy some time. Thyme, like in the garden. Thyme, like rosemary, thyme, sage. That is so cute. Enjoy some time, including a set of colored pencils. That is just so cute. Okay, so there is one card in here that goes over more information about the pain relieving gel as well, if you wanted to check that out. So going over a quick recap for the March box, you have an adult coloring book that is super cute with succulent theme, and you have the colored pencils. You have this relieving pain gel that you can use for any type of pain or discomfort that you have. You have this party dip mix, sweet and savory spinach dip mix that sounds amazing, that you can use with these sea salted pita chips, which sounds amazing, and I can't wait to try that. You have a Lucky Clover cookie for the month of March because of St. Patrick's Day. You have 2 little packs of seeds, which these were not even on the card. So this must be just like a little extra little treat that they added too. So you can plant some flowers for the spring season. You have a sticker. You have a really cute little thing of 5 different tea bags and this adorable mug that is super, super cute. So that is everything for this particular month. All right, you guys, comment down below and let me know, what did you think of this box? I think this is a great, great gift if you wanted to A, spoil yourself, or B, spoil a parent or parents, like I said, grandparent, grandparents, anything like that, or any type of family that you can't get to, but you want to send them a little care package their way. This would be an amazing way for them to be able to have a little activity, have a little treat, have a little, you know, other thing, because they have the tea and then the pain relieving gel for them too. So I think this is a really, really cute box. And $49.99, you can use my code SheCrafty to get $15 off your first box. And they also have that incentive that you pay less for the 6 and 12 month, and you get an additional free bonus gift for those as well. So everything will be linked down below. You guys can definitely go and check them out, and definitely let me know what you think. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.